guys, today I built a brick city and it took me days to build it.
Yay!
And I hope you like this video. And this is the cement truck working, and this is the hospital, and this is the rocket ship.
Oh.
The hospital has the guy watching in the ambulance here, in the X-ray with an X-ray, and these are the doctors. Rocket ship is here. If you can look inside, see, there's nothing. And I'm gonna show you the end. That is the engine, and this is the ice cream shop. So I have two vanilla, one chocolate, and one banana. Two chocolate, two vanilla, one chocolate, This is two vanillas and one chocolate and one banana. Plus 2 equals 4 ice creams. And this is the chocolate frosting and a cookie. Yum! And there's also a self-cooking lobster, and this is a delicious hot dog. Yum! And this is a drink, and this is an egg. This is a restaurant with eggs, and it has a lobster. And this is the library, and these are the books, and this is the librarian. And then next to the library is the police station. It has a bad guy in it, and this is the bad guy's bed, and this is the handcuff, and this is bread for the bad guy, and this is a walkie-talkie, and this is a police car so the policeman can go around. The car has a jail in the back, and this is where the policeman can drive. Here, get a book. This is my book city that I made for this, and please like, because this was made for this, and bye.